Wait 3 weeks after installing large format tile before applying any sealer or polisher to avoid trapping moisture that can damage grout and the tile substrate. Large format tile holds more moisture in the thinset and grout bed because of its size and weight, so always allow full curing time based on the mortar and grout manufacturers rather than assuming a fixed short interval. Check the product technical data sheets for both the adhesive and grout and follow the longest recommended cure time, and make a habit of recording installation dates so you do not rush the next steps. Use a simple moisture check by taping a small piece of clear plastic to the tile and inspecting for condensation after 24 hours to confirm residual moisture is low before proceeding. Clean the surface thoroughly with a neutral pH cleaner and remove any curing compounds or haze using a light mechanical scrub and plenty of clean water, then let surfaces dry fully to touch. When selecting a sealer or polishing product, choose one specified for the substrate and grout chemistry and follow the manufacturer instructions for dilution, number of coats, and dwell times. Applying too thick a coat in a single pass will slow drying and trap moisture. Apply sealers in thin, even coats with a lint-free applicator or low nap roller and allow the full dry time between coats while ensuring room temperature and ventilation meet the product recommendations so solvent or water-based systems cure properly. Common mistakes include sealing or polishing before full cure, which locks moisture into the grout and may cause efflorescence or bond failure. Prevent this by waiting the full 3 weeks or longer if the technical data sheets call for it. A second issue is using inappropriate or overly thick sealer layers that do not allow vapor transmission, leading to blistering or discoloration. Avoid this by using products listed for large format tile and applying thin, manufacturer recommended coats. A third frequent problem is poor surface preparation, where dust, haze, or grout residue prevents adhesion or produces uneven sheen. Solve this by performing a thorough neutral pH clean, rinsing completely, and doing the plastic sheet moisture test before any sealer or polisher is used. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like large format tile installations. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot post-installation care together.